Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we're 2022 Hyundai Venue, stock number 6512. This ran from the 6th 2019 to the current shape. It has a G4F6 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a G4F6 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front daytime running light, left front 15-inch factory alloy made bull tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 4 dents, left rear 15-inch factory alloy made tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy made tyre, right front mirror, right front 15-inch factory alloy made tyre, right front headlight, right front daytime running light, right front master switch, interior mirror, front courtesy light, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,